Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Safari on your device and go straight to the tabs view so you can switch modes. Tap or click Private to enter a private browsing session. This isolates cookies and browsing history from your regular tabs. Once done, hit the plus sign to create a new private tab and begin browsing. This matters because private tabs prevent local history and session cookies from being saved, so you can visit sites without leaving traces on that device. Now you'll manage the session. Open extra private tabs with the plus button and switch between them using the tabs view. Use back, forward, and reload like normal. Bookmarks and downloads still work, but downloads remain on the device unless removed. Make sure to check whether links open in the same private window versus a regular window, because some app links may leave private mode. Remember why. Private mode avoids saving the local record, though websites and networks can still. To finish, close each private tab or tap private again to return to regular browsing. Closing private tabs clears their session data locally. If you downloaded files or saved bookmarks, remove them manually to avoid leaving traces. If you still see browsing history or saved logins, make sure iCloud Sync hasn't moved data between devices and check whether a linked app opened pages outside private mode. That's the common issue. If problems persist, restart Safari and review privacy settings to confirm private is enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.